Hello and welcome to another A&A Masonry job.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
I'm standing here with my associate, Sigourney, and say hi, Sigourney.
Hi.
Sigourney and we worked together on some jobs. This is one job that we got involved with together to handle. I believe they came from
Frank Cohn.
On the radio show, which is a home improvement show where people can call in and ask questions of the radio host, and he continuously offers us as the solution company for all sorts of exterior jobs, because we consider ourselves to be and are the exterior authorities. And Sigourney, I wanted to bring you in on this because that was somewhat newer in your career, but what do you remember you found when we came onto this property?
I mean, there was a lot of different things to do, meaning interlock, some SurGuard, the pool around the pool. They wanted to change a lot of things.
Yeah.
And there was a lot of confidence already because they were talking to Frank Cohn or listening to Frank Cohn.
Nice.
So they came in, we gave them the solution, and it was like, bada boom, bada bang.
Exactly like that. Actually, it was in the winter time, so it was hard to see. And I remember there were some sheds and a lot of clutter in the back there.
Yeah, demolished.
And we took a look at it and we said, okay, once we understood what the customer wanted, which is very important to kind of duplicate that with the customer as to what their vision is, what we're dealing with, and give them the absolute very best product that's going to last. So when we originally came here, we could see that there was some older type of interlocking, key-shaped interlocking as we call it. It was slipping, sliding all over the place. The driveway was in good condition. The side walkway, there's two doors, and there was some inconsistency, and it was out of code for steps and risers. And also the pool in the backyard was the whole surface of concrete around the pool deck was a mess. So we kind of offered a solution for each and every one of those things. And we started with the interlock in the front here.
And then we expanded to the retaining wall, the steps, the SurGuard.
Yeah, and Sigourney's referring to the interlock on the front garden, because that was, again, something that we weren't really addressing in the beginning, but once this job started to transform, we realized, and the homeowner also wanted to update the retaining wall, so we did that. We also SurGuard the foundation because we're doing interlock. We don't want to cause any adverse problems with water against the concrete foundation. Of course, SurGuard is the solution for that. And we just spoke to the homeowner, and was there feedback?
No complaints. Super happy with the job. Wants to do more next season.
Yeah, so they'll use you again.
Yeah.
Okay, they've got your number, right?
Definitely.
Okay, so we're going to walk you through very quickly just to show you the finished product. We'll show you some of the before pictures. But this is really what it is about A&A Masonry, is really getting to find out what the people want, what is required, and making it work, whether it's a phase problem, a phase job, where we're doing sections. In this case, we kind of nailed everything over. We couldn't find anything else to do for this customer, and they are really happy, and we'll use this again.
And it's really also just caring about them and caring what they want. They're seeing their vision and making that a reality.
And you get that, and Sigourney, actually, you get that a lot in the Google reviews and stuff like that, where they do notice that you have a very personal touch. And I know from the ownership down, we hear a lot of that in the reviews, and everybody really likes you.
Yeah.
As Greg mentioned in the introduction, there were several outdoor areas of this home that needed attention to properly address long-standing issues. When our team first arrived, the most immediate concern was the interlocking stone at the front of the home. This style of interlock is extremely common, especially on properties where the work was installed 30 to 40 years ago. At that time, interlocking technology and installation methods were far less advanced than they are today. As a result, water management was poor, leading to shifting stones and vegetation growing through the seams. The same issues were present along the side walkway. In addition to the stone movement caused by outdated base systems, the existing steps were not up to code, making this entire area in need of a complete rebuild. In the backyard, the concrete surrounding the pool had begun to sag, showing its age and wear, and was ready for a full facelift. Here's how A&A addressed the situation. At the front of the home, we removed the tired interlocking stone and the existing front step, replacing them with a clean, modern design. Proper water management was a critical part of this upgrade. A professionally prepared base and the correct aggregate layers were installed to ensure water is directed away effectively, preventing future shifting. The new stone was custom cut to fit the space precisely, dramatically improving curb appeal. A new retaining wall was also installed to properly secure the planting areas and complete the look. To further protect the home, the front foundation was coated with SurGuard High Build Acrylic. This is not a standard paint. It's a durable protective coating that resists water, salt, acids, alkalis, and environmental pollutants. It provides long-term protection for the foundation while reducing future maintenance costs. The homeowner selected a crisp white finish to complement the gray stonework, creating a striking and polished appearance. Along the side of the home, the custom stone design continues, working seamlessly with the SurGuard protected foundation. New stone steps were built to meet current code requirements, matching the walkway and delivering both safe function and a refined aesthetic, meeting and exceeding the homeowner's expectations. Moving into the backyard, the project continued with two major upgrades. The first was a new patio area where the interlocking stone design carries through. Once again, a proper base and aggregate system were installed to ensure long-term stability and effective water drainage. The stone was custom cut to blend naturally with the surrounding gardens while transitioning smoothly into the pool area. Around the pool, the existing concrete was fully leveled and brought up to code before receiving a rubber resurfacing application. This surface provides increased underfoot comfort, improved safety, and a clean, modern finish. The color selection ties the entire backyard together, complementing the stone patio beautifully. This project highlights what sets A&A Masonry apart from other contractors in the GTA. From advanced water management and custom stonework to code-compliant steps and rubber resurfacing, A&A brings together specialized crews to handle every aspect of exterior home restoration. Take a look through our YouTube channel to see the full range of services A&A Masonry provides. And when you're ready to start your next home project, contact A&A for top-quality solutions built to last.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.